So guys, many days have passed and we did not discuss about any of the software. So let's talk about free video editing softwares for your low-end PC. So let's start the video. Some of them were paid but they are free now, acquired by a big company. So let's look out on our softwares. So our first software is Shortcut, which has a premium interface. You can do good and lightweighted video editing and many additional software. It is free but makes editing easy for you, and even a beginner can edit and make a good quality video. So I would recommend all the softwares shown in the video. If you haven't subscribed the channel, then what are you doing? Subscribe the channel fast. VSDC Video Editor is like any other software in the video. It also do not have watermark problem. It is an excellent free video editor for Windows users. Key features are: the software offers a large set of effects and transitions, easily blend multiple layers of videos into a single composition. VSDC supports all formats. The chroma key tool deletes the green background. Its pros are: 1. It is multilingual. 2. The tool offers an easy-to-use UI. 3. It uses fast and quality algorithms, optimized for single and multi-core CPUs. So let's discuss about its cons. 1. The layers tend to jump to other layers. 2. The online tutorials are minimal. 3. The program requires the installation of an MP4 codec. Clipchamp has been gaining popularity in last few months because it is now acquired by Microsoft, and now Microsoft owns it. It has all types of features and has a special feature in which it gives you a separate panel in which you can add meme templates. It picks memes from different websites and let you choose it. Is this enough, or you want more from a free software? It is owned by Microsoft, so it is its product. It is free of cost and you can export up to 1080p. Do you guys want to know which software I use? I use many free software because each software has its pros and cons. These 3 software are good and give direct competition to paid software. Try them and tell your experience in Discord server and let others know how actually these apps are. So this was it for the video. Like and share the video and subscribe the channel. For notifications of latest videos, press the bell icon. If you want any upcoming video updates. If you want to be a part of community, join my ethical Discord server. All links are in the description. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye. To change